Alright, what up guys? So I got a pretty good videos today. We're gonna go do some stunt riding. It's Sunday stunt day, bro. So got a couple of local guys here that stunt some Harleys. Holy shit! So I've never seen anyone stunt a Harley in person. I've seen videos of it. It looks flipping crazy. But so yeah, I think there's gonna be a couple guys on some Harleys there, so this should be really interesting. I figured I could go there because you know, I could use the practice with the stunting. You know, of course my wheelies aren't not quite dialed yet, but so we're gonna go there. We're gonna hit up some stunt practice and hopefully get some cool footage of these guys stunting these Harleys. So man, it should be wild. It's pretty cold today. I think it's like maybe 40 degrees, but there's no sun, so that makes it like colder, and there's a little bit of a wind chill, so it probably is more like 35. It's pretty freaking cold, but that's all right. I'm just I'm happy to be out here on the bike, man. Hopefully within the next probably month, couple weeks, whatever, the weather should start to change, you know, get consistently warmer, so I should be able to put out, you know, more videos, go ride more. So because I know there was like a 2-month break in the videos. Not that it probably matters too much because I don't have a, you know, it's not like I have a crazy subscriber base, but for those of you who do watch the videos or subscribe, that's awesome, thank you. But yeah, so like it should start to warm up here pretty soon, and I'll be able to, you know, go ride more, make more videos. And of course I'm gonna have my build series videos on this bike. You know, I'm gonna do a supermoto setup, I'm gonna redo all the plastics, do all custom everything. So yeah, so I'll have those videos too, if anyone's interested in watching those. It's cold as fuck out here. It's so cold. So what is your bike?
Yamaha Bolt.
It's like the Yamaha version of this, so it doesn't break.
Pretty much, it's, yeah, a Sportster.
Are they like same displacement?
Mine's smaller.
Yeah.
Mine's a 950.
His rear end looks like it sits up way higher.
Oh yeah, he raised it. Mine needs to be raised. It gives it a better angle.
Holy shit, dude. Oh my god. I can't even hold down a second gear, and these guys are just going straight to 12. Just holding it out. Ridiculous, dude. I don't know how they stay so relaxed. I mean, other than just having mad brake control, but like, god dang, dude. thought I was getting better at wheelies, and then I come here and it makes me feel like like I'm not, like I'm blowing it. Never mind. How do your brakes feel on that thing?
All right.
Dude, that's a heavy bike. Like, that's crazy. Jump it.
Oh. Maybe Frank will do it, not me.
I still feel more comfortable in third gear, which kind of sucks, but because I want to be good in second, but second gear is just, it's so twitchy. I feel good in third now, but I still like continually accelerate. Like, I can't slow it down. I can do third for a while, but like slowing it down is like, I don't know, I'm not there yet. I can't do that. All right, so unfortunately we got kicked out, some random guy, but dude, it was cool as shit riding with all these guys, so I'm stoked on it. I had a super good session. I feel like I've definitely gotten better, even in like just the time I rode today. I have a comfortability that I didn't have before. I think when it comes to stunt riding, when you're trying to learn wheelies or just whatever, being around guys that are better than you, or that, you know, that are really good, like those two guys, it will help you progress. You can ask them questions. They can explain things to you. I think it's a good thing to be around. It'll push you to get better without like being dangerous about it. You know what I mean? They'll give you tips and tricks, and like I said, you can ask them questions, and just being in that environment and watching them and what they do, I think really helps with trying to learn this stuff. So if you guys are trying to learn how to stunt, whatever bike you have, whether it's a Grom, it don't matter. Just being in the group of guys that are out there doing the stunts, I think is a big thing to help you to get better. You know, you learn new stuff and whatever. I think it's a good thing. So I'm super stoked and thankful that me up and invited me to come ride with them, and yeah, that was awesome. I can't wait to go do it again. Kind of sucks that guy kicked us out, but that's all right. It's pretty cold today anyway, and everyone's getting tired and whatnot. So call it a day here though. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'll post, you know, probably again soon. You know, the weather should start getting better, like I said, so I'll definitely try to get some videos out, you know, as I ride, and like I said, of course, the build that I'm going to do on this thing, all that, I'll make that into a video. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Got a lot of good videos coming up here. So yeah.